Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Alright guys, so we're here with my wife's 2016 Dodge Charger SRT 392, and today we're going to be testing out and trying the Steelman wireless electronic stethoscope. So we went ahead, we got the batteries put in, that fell off. So we got power. So I did an unboxing on this, and I failed to mention, I was talking about these clamps, but I failed to mention that they're actually magnetic. And it's a pretty strong magnet actually. So that's pretty cool. So this will also help if you have something metal, you know, you can magnetize it. You can magnetize it to it, or you could attach it to that. And if you want to add extra precaution, you could also do the Velcro or the zip tie. You could do the Velcro or you could do the zip tie on this. Also, they sell these parts individually, so you can also buy more channels. If you notice, we only have 4 here, and they're labeled 1 through 4. But on here we have up till 6. So you can actually buy two extra channels and use on here. Or if one breaks or you lose one, you can replace it. You could also buy this part individually. Not sure exactly how much that is. I just wanted to go ahead and just buy the kit straight up, so that's what we did. So let's take you underneath. We're going to do like I said, in my 2016 Charger, we got some noise that we're going to try to diagnose with this. We're going to try to use this to find the problem. And it's in the rear, kind of in the middle. So we're going to go under there and hook some of this stuff up to the differential and to maybe some other components under there and see what happens. So let's go underneath and start connecting this. Alright guys, so we got 4 channels, all 4 channels hooked up. So we have one zip tied, which is channel 1, which is going to our axle, our passenger axle here. Then we have channel 2, which we're just relying on the magnet. We're going to try that out, which is on the driver's side. Then we have channel 3 here. And that one too, we're relying on the magnet. And then we have channel 4. Let's see if you guys hooked up here, and we have that Velcroed. So as you guys can see, you know, you gotta try to pick a spot to where you can mount your transmitter and also hook up, clamp your connector. So you're not going to be able to clamp it on specific components that you think are bad. You're going to have to get close to it, because the noise and vibrations, or if there's a mechanical component broken, that noise is going to travel. So you're going to be able to, you know, pick up where it's coming from. You guys know what I'm talking about. So we're going to do our best to keep our wires away from our exhaust, because we don't want them melting. So we're going to go ahead and give this a run through and see what happens. See if we can pinpoint the noise, guys. So sorry I couldn't show you guys hooking it up, just a little too difficult. I needed both hands, and so, well, let's get rolling. Alright guys, so we're in the vehicle now. We're driving and we're attempting to find the noise. Unfortunately, our channel 1 is down because our transmitter, for whatever reason, is not working. So we only have 3 channels right now, 2, 3, and 4. And obviously we're not driving, so we're playing it safe. So when we get back, we'll let you know what we found out. Alright guys, so We lost another channel, but it's okay because we already found the problem. The problem is going to be channel 2. We lost channel 3. I don't know if the battery died or it got disconnected somehow. I looked underneath. We still have it, so we didn't lose it. So what's cool about this too is you don't even have to have the headphones. You could hear it through here, and I'll give you guys a little demonstration. So our channel 2 is actually hooked up to our passenger axle, and that was the one I was suspecting that's where the noise, that's where the trouble was coming from. So I'll give you guys a little demonstration now. So I'm no longer holding the camera, I'm driving. My assistant is got the camera and the device here. So here we go. That's gonna make a liar out of me now. So our signal's weak, so our battery must be dying. See if yeah. Alright guys, well unfortunately that's not gonna work. Hopefully being close to the exhaust didn't melt our wires, so I guess we'll go back and regroup and see what's going on, but I'll bring you guys right back. Okay guys, round 2. I'll explain to you guys what happened when we get back, but we're gonna go on our second trip, and again you don't have to use the headphone jack because it's got like a speaker. So here we go. Switch channels. Now you see the difference in that? That is our driver's side axle, and here's our passenger side. Just checking our wheel bearing on our passenger side. So as you could tell, it's sounding a lot different. It's more apparent when we go to do like a 3-4 point turn. Let's see if we can't show you guys. Just bear with me. That's my son, guys. My son wanted to help Dad fix the car. So my son is here with us helping Daddy fix Mommy's car. So he might say hi every once in a while. well, hopefully you can hear that. I gotta tend to my son. Alright guys, and we're back. So hopefully you guys could hear some of that demonstration. I wasn't able to actually let you guys listen to what I was able to hear on my first run. And when I tried to get you guys to listen to it, unfortunately the signal wasn't there. So I had to come back home. And once I figured out what was going on, trying a second time, my son was just ready to go home and call it quits. So unfortunately, we didn't get to actually let you guys hear what exactly was going on. But at least you guys were able to kind of get a sample of what this thing can do. So overall thoughts, it's pretty good. It's a pretty cool device, pretty cool little diagnostic tool. Let's see the pros. Pros is it's wireless. It actually does the job. It enabled me to pinpoint where the noise is coming from. So now I have an idea of where it's coming from, and we're gonna go ahead and take it to the dealer and see what they say. See if I was right, see if I was wrong, and go from there with it. What else? Pros. Pros, I like how the magnet actually stuck pretty well. I was kind of afraid that I was going to lose them. But no, just having these stick, just using the magnet, it actually stuck pretty well. It was pretty strong, and it held up over low, medium, high speeds, as well as bumps and curves and turns. So that's a plus. I also like that they give you options for Velcro as well as zip ties. And they have this little thing here where you could run the zip tie or the Velcro through to get a good hold on it. So that's a plus. What else? What else? I like that you could buy more of these and you could have 6 channels. I like that you could put these pretty much anywhere on the car that you want. The other pro is that it works pretty well. I don't really see an issue with it, which yeah. So the cons. So for whatever reason, we lost signal to all 3 of them. And I don't know why. I don't know if that's user error. I don't know if that's my fault. I don't know if it was just the area that we were in. So we lost signal. So that kind of sucked. Trying to show you guys. So that's a negative. The other negative is one of them, I understood what the problem was, why I lost signal. So here's the clamp, and it's not a very tight fit. So on channel 2, I believe, the one I was actually wanting you guys to listen to, this had come up, and it almost actually fell out of here. Because it was like this. So gravity just kind of, and maybe the jarring, the vibration kind of made this come out, and that's why I wouldn't pick up the channel. The other negative is our number 1 transmitter is not working. I don't know if it's just the batteries. I tried different batteries. But they're not all that great, so I'm going to buy some brand new batteries, put in here, and hopefully it'll work. If not, we're going to try to contact the manufacturer and see if they can at least send us a new channel. Or if they need us to send this all back, we'll do that. So that's another negative. One transmitter out of the box is not working. I've had this actually for about a month and a half, and I've just never used it. This is the first time taking it out. The other negative, like I said, is this fit is not very good. So it's not a very tight, secure fit. I think it would be better if they had some kind of like you know how you have a wiring harness connector that connects and it has a safety pin that you have to release in order to pull it out. I think that would be much better. That's about the only negatives I have about this so far. Obviously, I can't give you a good, solid review because I've only used it once. The other positive thing is you don't necessarily have to use just this headphone jack. And those janky headphones were actually pretty, they actually sounded pretty good. But I also like that you don't have to have headphones. You can actually let it come through the speaker. So that's pretty cool. So all in all, I think it's a pretty cool tool, guys. So basically that's how you use it. That's how we used it anyway. And it did a pretty good job. So I'll keep you guys updated once we do decide to take it to the dealer and see what they say. Hopefully they don't give this runaround of, oh, it's just because there's too much weight in the trunk, because there's nothing in the trunk. And so yeah. So I hope this unboxing slash first time use review was helpful for you guys, and maybe it'll help you guys pick one up for yourselves to diagnose your own problems. So there you go, guys. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informational video and DIY projects. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. So, and as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.